大家好，现在我在的位置是松花江。今天哈工大剑桥牛津杯冰上龙舟国际友谊赛正式开赛。尽管今天的温度已经降至零下25摄氏度，但是选手们的鼓声和口号声早已点燃了全场的热情。让我们一起来期待他们的表现吧。
让我感受到了这个体育跨越文化带来的这种凝聚力。我们要积极的展示自己的这种激情、拼搏的能力，然后用自己的这种热血去带动整个团队取得更好的成绩。
整个气氛非常的好，现场的氛围也非常热烈。
Yesterday we spent a lot of time doing the technique, getting the sticks into the ground and moving the boat forward. We got some great tips from the HIT coach, who was really very generous and kind to give us some training. And today we've made some big improvements, which is great.
And I think we've sort of very pleased with our final performance in the final. We didn't have our best performance, but we had a very good performance, so we're proud of that.